minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k, and this is contest 154 weekly, right? And so we have given an integer array nums and integer k, so you can perform the following operations any number of times. So we have to select index, and we have to replace that element with nums at that index -1, means value -1 we will do, and we'll keep doing that until we are able to divisible by k that value, right? So we have to return the minimum number of operations required to make the sum of array divisible by k, means all the element we have to do sum, and then we have to divide the operations. If the operation is not divisible, we'll keep doing -1, and so that we'll return the number of operations. So you can see we have given a nums 397 and k is 5, and so what we have to do, we'll see there is a, if you lose the sum, right, it will come I think 19, right? And that is not divisible by k. So what we have to do, we have to perform -1 operations at an index. Let's suppose it is saying we have at index 4, right? Index second, you can say, that is value having maximum is 4. So what we can do, we can do -4 times, and so that we get 15, and 15 can be divisible by 5, right? So what I have done, I have tried to write the count, right, and I have not used, so you can leave it for that. And int sum is 0. So what we can do, for all the elements you will do iteration, and you will get the sum equal to sum plus num. You will get all element at a time, right? And then you will keep adding the elements in the sum. Once sum is done, we'll create a sum, we check the divisibility, and we have some remainder. So we'll check remainder is 0. If it is 0, we will return 0. Otherwise, we will return the remainder. We do not need to perform anything, because the remainder is our result. That is, our question is saying number of operations we have to perform is the remainder. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this video, guys, and if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box, or any suggestions you required, please ping me in the comment box. Don't hesitate here. You can find the contact number even in my YouTube channel, right? If you need anything, please go through that and let me know, and you can ping me. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let's see another questions that I may put on little late. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.